Hi everyone, this is Dan at Performance Motorworks. I just wanted to take a minute to share something with you that I'm super excited about. And what that is our new shop management system called Shop-Ware. Shop-Ware is amazing. What it does is we're able to do everything digital on a tablet like this. And not only will I have one in my hands when you come and see me, but so will my technician. And as he's checking your car over, he can actually make all of his notes digitally. He can take pictures of anything that he sees on your car that might need attention. And you can receive updates in real time via text message or email. It really is fantastic. Now, if you don't like the digital world, you don't like text messaging or emailing or communicating that way, don't worry. We can still print you paper copies. We can still call you on the phone and interact that way. That's the great thing about the system. It's very versatile and we can do anything that we want with it. So give us a call, make an appointment next time you need to bring your car in, and just be prepared for this new system. I'm excited about it and I know that you all are going to love it. 916-624-9656 or pmwonline.com. Thanks and we'll see you soon.